I stop and I don't go, 'cause there's things that you don't show, and I just need to know. Do you ever start to think of me? Do you really wanna love me bad? Do you feel like you could be my man? Do you feel like, do you feel like, do you feel like this was meant to be? Do you really wanna have my back? Do you ever tell it straight like that? Do you feel like, do you feel like,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am about to get ready. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. I haven't been doing Vlogmas like I said I was gonna do. I'm sorry y'all, like it's hard vlogging every single day. Like I'm sorry, I thought I was gonna be able to do it, but it's harder than what I thought it was gonna be. So I'm back with another Vlogmas. I know I missed like 100 days already, so yeah. I have to do somebody's makeup, so I'm like getting all my stuff together. I just finished doing a video. Actually, I'm gonna include it in this vlog, so like the vlogging part of this is gonna be pretty short, and I'm gonna add in that tutorial just to kind of kill two birds with one stone, because I already knew that this vlog would be super short. So yeah, I'm gonna add it all together so y'all will see. Keep watching. It will be a tutorial at the end of this video. The light is kind of off. It low-key looks better this way, facing the window. Apple. So let me show y'all the video. So yeah, I just finished this one. The intro is going to be this vlog that you guys are seeing right now, and then I'm going to add this in. If you guys are interested in seeing this, then stay tuned, because this will be up today. I'm trying to have it up at least by 2 o'clock, so you guys should see this around 2:30, and then I will be, you know, packing everything up, getting ready to go to do makeup later on. So why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? What are you doing? What are you doing? What?
I did.
Boy. Yeah. Y'all see what I have to deal with. So I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit more today, and I'll probably upload some more stuff tomorrow. If I don't, I'm sorry, but I will keep like my regular tutorials. It's easier for me to do regular tutorials than it is to do Vlogmas, because I don't know, it is. I can't explain why it is. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the tutorial that I'm about to insert. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next vlog or tutorial, whichever one it is. Bye.
Bye.
I already moisturized my face. Lately, I don't know why, but my skin been real dry, like, and I don't know what to do, because I'm used to my skin being oily year round, but for some reason this winter it's getting to my skin like around here and my chin, and kind of like right here in between my eyebrows. I've been dealing with a lot of dryness, and I don't really know what to do, so maybe y'all can help me out. Leave some comments, let me know what y'all use, because I'm used to doing stuff for oily skin. But my everyday makeup routine pretty much consists of my brows already are done, some lashes, a little bit of foundation, and like some kind of gloss. I don't really do like full beat like I do on all my other videos. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I get that done. Like for my eyes, I'll usually put like a matte shade that's kind of close to my eyelid color, or if I want to do something a little bit extra, I'll add like a highlight to my eye. I think today I want to put a matte shade. I'm gonna be going out later on today because I have to do makeup for somebody, so I want to be presentable, but you know, I'm still doing everyday makeup. So I think I'm gonna take this Mally Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the color Tawny, which is this it's like a really neutral tone, which is this one right here. And this is just to add something to my eyelid, because you know they can get a little bit oily sometimes, so this just helps to, like, you know, bring stuff together. Now it's raining outside right now, so it's making it look kind of gray in here. I don't know why it looks so like dim, because I have like 3 different lights on me right now. I have 2 big old lights on me right now, plus this ring light that's right in front of me, and it still looks a little bit dark. So if this video doesn't come out as best as I want it to be, I'm sorry y'all. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do as far as my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with some L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and prep my lashes for some falsies. So now I'm going to put on some lashes. The lashes that I'm using are Joy Lashes in the style E38. I get this from the hair store. They're like $2.99, but they always like buy one get one free. So I always get like a bunch of lashes when I go get these. Hopefully these lashes go on easily. Otherwise I'm going to have to edit out me struggling to put these lashes on. So if you guys still see me putting on my lashes, that means that they were a success putting them on, because I struggle with lashes. If you notice in all my videos, I try to crop out, like I try to edit out me doing my lashes because they just take too long. Oh, nope, I'm gonna have to crop this out. I'm struggling. When I was doing my lashes with hair glue, I never had this problem. But using Duo Lash Glue, this stuff, let me let y'all see this. Using this lash glue, like I always struggle. This lash glue does not stick good enough. It takes forever to dry, and it just doesn't adhere good. Like, so we got one lash on. So let me put the other one on real quick. So now that my lashes are done, I'm going to move on to my face. The face is like the most simple part. It's super easy. Like I said, this everyday makeup is nothing, just nothing crazy. It's nothing dramatic. I'm going to take my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I love this primer now, y'all. This has become like my favorite primer. It just gets rid of all these pores that I have on my skin. And it just helps to make everything just so smooth and just so pretty. So I'm going to just rub this in. And now I'm going to take my CoverGirl True Blend in the color M5 and pump this all over my face. I'll take a little brush and just work this into my skin really quick. And I'm going to go over it with my Beauty Blender just to smooth it out. For my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Sand, and I'm going to just conceal all my regular places that I conceal, but except when I'm doing everyday makeup, I only put a little bit of concealer. So when you're doing everyday makeup, you don't want it to look like you got on makeup. That's pretty much the look that you want to go for. So you got to go really light with your product. So now I'm going to put down just a little bit of setting powder, and the powder that I'm going to be using is the Airspun setting powder in the color Translucent. And you literally want to go like super light. And I'm going to immediately dust that off because I don't want too much, you know, I don't want it to look like I just baked my face. And then to contour my skin, I'm going to take a little bit of some face powder in the color Mocha. And I'm going to just hit my contour spots with this. The lighting just got like super bad. I don't know if y'all could see it on this video, but what I'm looking at, what I can see in the camera right now, it looks pretty dark. So I'm sorry, y'all. And I'm going to just hit my nose a little bit gonna take some setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Oil Fix Spray, and I'm going to just spray my face down. When I do everyday makeup, I do like to highlight my face. When I do any makeup, I like to highlight my face. That's just like my thing. Like, I just love highlighters. So I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter from this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take the color White Sand and Snow and mix those two together, because I get like the perfect highlight when I mix those two. And just highlight just a little bit. Like, that's all I'm gonna do right there. But that's kind of popping. Hold up. For my lips, I just like to take a very nude gloss, or like a really light pink, or a clear gloss. I'm gonna be taking a NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. It's my favorite one from them. And I'm gonna just gloss my lips up. And that's it, y'all. That is my everyday makeup tutorial, my everyday makeup look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell before you leave this video. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.